of all, thank you to join our chief guests, right? I think so. Milans will take the names of the all, but being as a company CEO and the new ventures, at the end of the program, I am announcing here with of the new vertical, which was already done in 2020, STEM Intech, and now we have the vertical already of the training, but it was not coming in the place of the floor. So in 2020-21, we have to accelerate to the training division, and we will give the best services to the industries as well as the society for the training related to the technical, soft skills, and many more for the industries and the society. So thank you very much. Thank you everybody to join with us. Now hand over to Nilansh.
Thank you, Vimal sir. So now on behalf of STEM, I would like to thank you all for attending to this celebration event and making it so memorable. We are also very grateful for your so ever generous promises, and will also appreciate if you take the time to fill out our survey, which will be shared to you afterward this event, on how to improve our company functions, and are taking everyone's suggestions to our heart. Your presence is in ever happy moment in life make this eve way more special for us. We count ourselves blessed that we have observed you as a team, super grateful and happy for coming to celebrate with us and cheer us in this event. Now I will request our guests to express their words one by one for STEM. Thank you. Yes, Omkar sir, sure. Please.
Heartiest congratulations to all of you, our esteemed STEM team, and the best wishes to Bhartandu Bimal. This is the 8-year journey. That 8-year journey is a very good journey, and we have achieved a challengeable verticals for the nation. I appreciate to all of you. I wish good wishes to all of you for this celebration. Myself, as a project director of Jai Hind project in Ahmedabad, last 30 years I am working in the field of industries, different manufacturing and different industries. But the growth, dedication, and the commitment as you people present, that is marvelous. That is excellent. Excellent. When it is excellent, the guideline, the timeline, the promise is excellent, then we can achieve any target. Yes, you people are good, very good, and wishes to all of you to grow and make a good organization. One small thing I want to say in the entire journey of this, the growth is in 3 ways. One is the personality growth. I am very much happy, very much proud to listen that some people are working last 8 years. Some people are working in last 4.5 years. Some people are working, Mr. Ashish is working last year and he has got the training and he has presented a very nice. Mr. Nilansh, I think he has joined in the last year. So all these are indicating is a very nice and very good guideline from the Bimal. That is good. I heartily wishes all of you, the STM family. This is not a one anniversary. this is a 2 anniversary in a day. One is the Bimal anniversary, Bimal marriage anniversary, as well as the company anniversary. Both in a same day. That is the excellent for the event. That is happiness. Nowadays, the corona or pandemic condition is only the fear for the human. No happiness is there. So such a moment, if we are happy for a half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours in a home, enjoy with a family, enjoy at your home, and save your family, save yourself. Thank you very much to all of you, and best wishes, heartiest wishes to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing.
I request especially our engineers who has worked in the field, what is the journey and with the STEM. Few words our inspectors can share.
Hello, sir. Vimal, sir. I would like to speak on behalf of all the engineers that I work from Canada. My name is Jamin Amin, and I work with STEM since 2 years on various projects and inspections. And I'm very happy and very supportful from Vimal, sir, Swati, and Nilanj all the time. And I got all the information on time and really helpful, and they give me a lot business. So very thankful that. Thank you very much, and I would like to work with you in future and keep growing, and all the best for your further expansion. And I hope so we're gonna expand in South America pretty soon.
Thank you, Mr. Jamin. Jamin is basically from Canada. He is also belongs from Gujarat, our India, from our India, and he is settled down over there, and he has done the lots of works. Last 2 years, more than 2 years, he is associated with us. Thank you very much, Mr. Jamin. You had given your valuable time to us for joining this event. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Yes.
Yes, good evening. I was associated with STEM consultancy since last 3 months. Okay. So I'm still now looking for assignments. So whatever assignments I have got, it was a nice experience, thorough professional experience, and looking forward to getting more assignments from STEM consultancy.
Any more?
Sir, I am happy to be the part of this organization, and many congratulations to you and also my STEM family. And thanks for the meeting. We are together in this corona pandemic situation, and getting so much thing about the STEM and STEM profile and STEM working culture. And happy to about. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. I welcome to some of the people who has already come and move on, like this advocate Salesh Mishra. I received the call from Bhima Suresh and greetings. I received the greetings from SN Rai, Mr. S. Raghu. They are my ex-colleague. Also received the welcome note from the different country. Some of the people is due to the working hours, they are not able to join. And one of my colleagues is here, ex-colleagues over here. Lots of people is here. So thank you everybody. Again, I request any inspector or engineers want to say something.
Vimal, I would like to say something.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, Vimal, you are always an inspiration to all of us, and from Beja Fry Group, we wish you all the best and look forward your prosperity And but now I somehow, for somehow reason, I am not able to associate with you. But in future, definitely look forward to be with you. And if something comes up, I will definitely be with you, Vimal. And I'm very glad that being my ex-colleague, more than ex-colleague, we can say like a brother, like a friend. And I'm very happy that you are growing like a tree, and it's a good positive thing which we can say. And I think 3 years before we joined when CBD, 3 years, 4 years before, correct?
Yeah, that was the fifth anniversary. That was
Fifth
the fifth.
anniversary, yeah, and definitely we look forward for the promise which you have made at that time. So I think it may happen, but due to Corona, it went on dragging, and we look forward in coming future. You will have that promise fulfilled for us.
Yes, I well remember that promise.
Okay.
Our one program
Yeah, and
will be
our heart and our people heart, we wish you a good luck, and we look forward big growth in your company, Vimal. Thank you, Vimal. Thank you.
Thank you, Miju. And I will tell you about the Miju. We had worked together for the two organizations. He has worked in the TPI agencies. Will not disclose the name currently, but we lots of good works, lots of big projects, and he is one of the also assets of any organizations. And he is the one-man person who he has the depth knowledge about the coordinations, project coordination. And apart from this one, he is the good, the capturing capacities and the capacity for the abroad assignments. So he is doing the good job, and I seen that he was starting more than 5 years. We had worked together with the two organizations, and that
Yes,
was
Vimal,
the
more than 5 years. Yeah, both ABS and GL both.
yeah. So nice, Mizu. Nice, you will be here, and it's my pleasure. I really happy, and I thank you from my bottom of my heart.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Vimal. Best of luck for you here. Thank you.
Sorry, Liwen is joined from China also. Thank you very much, Liwen.
Yeah, myself, Prabhu, I've been a friend to Mr. Deepak. We have been have some good technical platform and all. So I have been. Yes, can you say one more such information? I cannot get to a point, sir. It's a very nice meeting regarding our STEM consultancy. What is the project you have been did, and what are the things we need to come. So all thing is very good, and I'm sure we have some good technical platform discussion has been done. In future also we can go for it, and I will discuss other things with Mr. Deepak, and can come back to you. And very nice conversation, sir, and your words are very good inspiration to our teammates, everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Prabhu.
Yeah.
So now we are proceeding to closure of the day. Anybody else? So okay, thank you everybody, and thank you for the participation of this event. Without your participation, the event will be not success. And again, I will be always obliged for that. And in future, such type of events, you must have to participate. I will be glad for that. So thank you very much, and be safe. Due to the corona, we have to little bit careful, right? So prevention is better than cure. It is always working. So I request to everybody, do the prevention activities, right? And be at home, make the distance, always keep the mask on. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Yeah, thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.